So I'm going to show you guys how to put on the cable system, the 191 on the Primus, quickly and efficiently. First thing you want to do is make sure that the work head is upright. It's going to make it easier for you to line up the cable properly. Consider the direction in which you want to work. That's going to be helpful for you as well. So if I want to work directly out in front of the Primus, I want to make sure that the cable is moving in the said direction. I'm going to line up the stabilizing rod over here, as you can see, as well as the locking handle over here with the outside of the head. In this case, it just so happened to line up perfectly. Something else that can be helpful for you is to make sure that the shaft is unlocked. As the shaft is unlocked, you can rotate it and better line up the cable. So once the 3 attachment pieces are lined up, go ahead and secure the locking handle in place. Make sure that the system is in a concentric eccentric mode and you're ready to use your cable system. So we've set up the cable system for simulating the golf swing. And this is the acceleration phase of the golf swing. Make the exercise more challenging by using a BOSU or a disc or any instability down on the ground. You got a full body golf workout.